Hello, good evening. I am Rashi Sandip Chudeval. Our today's video topic is exception handling in Java. In today's video, we are going to see exception handling advantages and their types of exceptions. So let us start with our today's video topic, that is exception handling. So in exception handling, the exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the applications can be maintained. So now in today's video we are going to see what is exception in Java, difference between checked and unchecked everything. So what is exception? Meaning of exception is an abnormal condition. In Java, an exception is an event that disrupts the flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at runtime. Now, what is exception handling? Exception handling in Java is to handle runtime errors such as class not found induction, IO exceptions, SQL exceptions, remote exceptions, and etc. Advantage of exceptions are exception handling are the core advantage of the exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application, and exception normally disrupt the normal flow of the application. That is why we need to handle the exceptions. Now next advantages is, now we will see the hierarchy of Java exception classes. The java.lang.throwable class is the root class of Java exception. Exception hierarchy inherited by two classes, exception and error. The hierarchy of Java exception class is given, we have seen. So now we will see the types of Java exceptions. There are mainly two types of Java exceptions, that is checked and unchecked. An error is considered as the unchecked exceptions. However, accordingly to Oracle, there are three types of exceptions, namely first is checked exception, second is unchecked exception, and thirdly is error. Now we will see the difference between checked exception and unchecked exceptions. Checked exceptions means the classes that directly inherit the throwable class except runtime exceptions, and error are known as checked exceptions. For example, IO exceptions, SQL exceptions, and etc. So checked exceptions are checked at the compile time, and it is also known as a compile time. Or unchecked exception means the classes that inherit the runtime exceptions are known as unchecked exceptions. For example, arithmetic exceptions, null pointer exceptions, array index out of bound exceptions, etc. Unchecked exceptions are not checked at compile time, but they are checked at runtime. And third one is error. Error is irrecoverable. Some examples of errors are out of memory error, virtual machine error, assertion errors, so etc. Now we will see some keywords of exceptions. There are 5 keywords that are used to handle the exception. The following table describes. Now, the first keyword is try. The try keyword is used to specify a block where we should place an exception code. It means we can't use try block alone. The try block must be followed by either catch or finally. Next is catch. The catch block is used to handle the exception. It must be preceded by try block, which means we can't use catch block alone. It can't be followed by finally block later. Next is finally. The finally block is executed the necessary code of the program. It is executed whether an exception is handled or not. Next is throw. The throw keyword is used to throw an exception. And the next one is, that is throws. The throws keyword is used to declare the exception. It is used to declare the exception. It specifies that there may occur an exception in the method. It does not throw an exception. It does not throw an exception. It is always used with the method signature. So these are the 5 types, or we can say as 5 keywords that we used in exceptions. So, thank you.